What would actually happen if you fell into a black hole? Forget the movies. The real answer is stranger, more beautiful, and a lot more terrifying than anything science fiction ever dreamed up. So let's take the plunge, step by step. First, what is a black hole? It's a place where so much matter is crushed into so small a space that gravity becomes overwhelming. Pull is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Most form when a giant star runs out of fuel and collapses in on itself. Around every black hole is an invisible line called the event horizon. It is not a wall or a surface. It is simply the point of no return. Cross it, and there is no path, no rocket, no escape that can ever bring you back out. As you fall, you speed up, faster and faster. But here is the first surprise. The pull on your feet, closer to the black hole, is much stronger than the pull on your head. That tiny difference is about to do something very unpleasant to your body. That difference stretches you. Your feet pull away from your head, and you are drawn out longer and thinner, like a strand of pasta. Scientists actually call this spaghettification. For a small black hole, it would shred you long before you reached the center. Now here is where it gets truly weird. Imagine a friend watching from a safe distance. To them, you never actually fall in. You appear to slow down, freeze at the edge, turn redder and dimmer, and slowly fade away, like a photo left in the sun. But from your point of view, nothing stops at all. You sail straight across the event horizon without feeling any barrier. Time near a black hole runs differently for you than for everyone else, and that is not a trick. It is how gravity bends time itself. Keep falling, and you head toward the very center, the singularity. Here, as far as our current physics can tell, everything is crushed into a single point of infinite density. The honest truth is that our best equations break down here. Nobody truly knows what lies at the bottom. Could you ever escape or send a message back? No. Once past the horizon, every direction leads inward. Yet black holes are not entirely forever. Over unimaginable spans of time, they slowly leak energy and very, very gradually evaporate away. So a black hole is where the universe keeps its biggest secrets, the place our science reaches its very edge. And if there is a mystery like this that you have always wondered about, tell me in the comments. Your question could be the next video. If this made you a little more curious about the world, subscribe to the Binary Brew, and I'll see you in the next one.